Hey everyone, today we'll be making this amazing, tasty, flavor-infused African-style rice and beans. It's a continuation from last week's video and it's easy to make. Let's get started. The first ingredient is 2 cups of long grain parboiled rice. Add your rice to a large bowl. A lot of people don't know this, but rice is a staple food in many parts of the world. It's a favorite because it has a really long shelf life and it's quite affordable in many countries. Now, if you don't eat white rice, you can check out my wild rice recipes. The most important thing you have to do before cooking your rice is to wash it thoroughly. Add some water to your bowl and wash it by rubbing it several times between your palms. After the first wash, pour the water out and you'll notice it's milky. That's mostly starch from the rice. Repeat the process several times. Also, depending on where you bought the rice, you could find some dirt and debris. Be sure to remove them. Dump out the water once you're done washing, and if it's almost clear, you're done. Set your washed rice aside and roughly chop an onion. Hey, if you're watching this and you're one of my OG subscribers, please sound off in the comment section. Over here, I have a 1/4 cup of sustainably sourced palm oil from Africa. Add your oil to a pot set to medium-high heat. You can find this at your local African stores. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of my shallot oil. Click on the link above to watch that recipe. Let your oil heat up for like 1 minute. If you don't want to use palm oil, you can use my annatto oil. I'll leave a link. Once your oil is hot, go ahead and add your chopped onion. I used 1 bulb. Give it a good mix and saute until fragrant. Next, I'll be dicing 3 medium-sized organic plum tomatoes, but you can use any tomatoes you want. So while you're watching and hopefully enjoying this video, I want you to pause, scroll down, and please hit that like button for me. It really helps the channel. Thank you. Add your diced tomatoes once your chopped onion is fragrant. Chop and add 1 Scotch bonnet pepper. Give it a good mix, then we can add our herbs and seasonings. Welcome back. Let's keep going. Add 1 tablespoon of paprika for color and flavor. Add some sea salt and adjust as needed. Add 1 tablespoon of granulated onions. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Add 1.5 tablespoons of curry powder, then go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. This is optional but highly recommended. Crush and add 1 large plant-based bouillon cube. Now give it a good mix and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes on medium-high heat. Back to our tomato sauce. Add 4 cups of vegetable stock. One of the main ingredients of this dish is black-eyed peas. I'm using 3 cups. These were pre-cooked, but you can also use about 3 cans. Add 3 cups of pre-cooked black-eyed peas. Give it a good mix while we prepare our next ingredient. As a crayfish replacement, we're going to blend and add 6 roasted nori sheets. Simply add your nori sheets to a coffee grinder, crumble, and blend for about 1 minute. You should get about 1 teaspoon. Now you can go ahead and carefully add your washed rice to the pot. Don't be like me or you'll get scalded. Finally, add your ground nori, then give it a really good mix. Now we're not going to cook this on medium high or anything like that. The secret is to turn the heat down to a simmer and let it cook for 30 minutes. Don't forget to cover your pot to trap in the moisture. Over here, I have a small bunch of fresh organic parsley, and it's about 1 cup. Now I'm going to finely chop my fresh parsley leaves. I usually use about 10 fresh basil leaves, but I ran out today. Parsley works out too because it gives it the really fresh taste I'm aiming for. Set your parsley aside and let's check on our food. Our rice and beans is almost ready. Now we're just gonna add our parsley, mix, cover, and let it simmer for 2 minutes. Now this right here is why I love food. I'm going in and I'm digging in with no guilt whatsoever. Serve yourself a gigantic plate and don't be shy about it. Trust me, you'll be coming back for more. Take a good look at this. It's a quick one-pot meal, it's cheap, and it's very easy to make. Trust me, anyone can make this. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all next week.